Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom on YouTube, and I've got the great and the wonderful Robin Smith with me from New Jersey in USA and Birmingham, England. So she's doing, I just had to invite her on because she's doing this brilliant course, and I did it in January and it was amazing. So it's called the 12 Days of Wealthmas. Over to you, Robin. Why should we go on this course?
Thank you so much for having me. First of all, I'm super excited to be here. Why should we go on this course? You know what? Over a 12-day period, and this is 100% for free. Okay, remind you, I'm just giving away all this knowledge. Over 12 days, I'm going to be sharing with you 12 different income streams that you can add to the business you're already growing from what you already know. I mean, think about it. We all want multiple streams of income, right? We all want that money that comes to us while we're sleeping. Well, I'm going to show you ways that you can actually add that to your business without adding any extra stress, any extra thing. All you're doing is just going to be collecting the money. So you want to get in on this training. Like I said, it's 12 days. It's free. And you know what? We're going to have a lot of fun. And what I'm calling it is it's the Christmas in July. So we all want that Christmas bonus every year, right? So now we're going to get it a little early, and I'm going to help you really crush your 2019 income goals. I guarantee it.
What? So can we wear our Christmas jumpers?
Sure. Sweaters are optional. Yes, it's a little warm right now. I don't know about you guys, but here in New Jersey, it's a little warm today for a sweater. But yes, yes, well, the hats, good. You know.
It's been really hot today. I can't really wear my sweater. Anyway, Victor wants to say hi.
Hi. You're so cute. I love the tie.
Do you know the story about Victor and the pink tie?
I do not.
Well, I've got this friend called Victor Perez in Texas. Mm-hmm. And we started our YouTube channels together. But I concentrated on Facebook and he concentrated on YouTube. So he's got about 3,000 subscribers. I've only got 300. But he used to have this baseball cap backwards and the t-shirt, but then he went onto the suit and the tie, and he wore this pink tie once. And in England, you don't wear, if you're a man, you don't wear pink ties.
Oh, real men wear pink.
Come on, Victor, a pink tie. Are you kidding me? Because I was taking the mickey. And he said, but it's a power tie. So I went on the internet and bought this for £2. And then I wore it and said, hey Victor, look at me. And it's just become a standing joke now. And then one of my friends, Paul Green, did a website with Make Your Own Teddies for Joanna. Do you remember Joanna Weeks? Yeah?
Joanna.
Well, her husband was doing this Build Your Own Teddy. So Paul Green sent me a Build Your Own Teddy, but it was a monkey. Around the time I got the pink tie. And my neighbour just thought, hey, look at this. So my neighbour put the pink tie on, so his name's got to be Victor.
Yes.
So anyway, this girl, Robin Smith, is amazing. And we're both doing this 30-day YouTube challenge. And I'm going to beat you because I'm going to get more than 30 YouTubes in 30 days because I'm going to do 2 a day from now. So,
oh, yeah. I've been a little busy creating the content for this awesome challenge. Okay, I've done videos, they're just not on YouTube yet because they're hidden behind the challenge.
Do you think I ought to do some Facebook like messenger? Say, hey, my friend Robin Smith's doing this great training. I haven't done that yet.
Oh, definitely.
So I better start doing that. And
you better start doing that because the challenge starts on Monday, and you don't want people to miss the first day, the very first day. I mean, that's we're starting off with coaching. You know, everybody has something to share that they need to get out there, and you know, trust me, somebody will pay for.
What was that? He wants us to sing on the first day of Wealthmas.
You don't want me to sing.
Okay, what is it? 1, 2, 3. On the first day of Wealthmas, my true love said to me.
Income from coaching.
Anyway, guys, I love Robin Smith, and she has helped me get on 2, not 1, but 2 leaderboards with her trainings. So this girl knows what she's doing. So click the link below, and I'm doing the training again. So I'll see you on the inside. Bye guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share, and I'll see you on the next video.